So the device in my hand is a smartwatch. This is boAt Xtend Smartwatch, and suppose if you want to use the find a phone option in this phone, for example this is connected with our smartphone. Suppose this boAt Wave application is installed in your Android phone or iOS phone. Okay, and that after that you can see the option device CM, and you can check whether it is connected. Now you can see that the Xtend phone is connected with this smartphone. So the application name is boAt Wave Xtend. So the application name is boAt Wave. Okay, you can search for this application in Play Store. You can install this application boAt Wave. Okay, the next step is that now our smartphone is connected with this smartwatch, that is smartwatch boAt Xtend. And suppose if you want to use the find a phone, that is if you did not find where your mobile phone is, so for finding the phone you can simply use your smartwatch. So simply you must click, this is the setting buttons in boAt Wave Xtend. So in this boAt Xtend Smartwatch you must click this button, and other boAt watch also you can use this button. For take out the settings, you must simply take out the settings from here. Before going to the setting, if you simply press this switch, okay, this is the your watch face here, and you can simply click this button one time or click it once again, and after that you must simply move your fingers like this, and here it is written the option find phone. So if you click this find phone, this is the flashlight I click. If you click this one, that is find phone, then you can see that our smartphone is ringing now. boAt Wave. So this is the method of finding your phone using boAt Xtend Smartwatch. Of this video. See for more videos, please subscribe and listen online. Thank you.